Whenever you want feedback on how a session was, according to the participants, use a ROTI. ROTI is a good tool at the end of any gathering or session, a class, a workshop, a meeting, or why not after a conference. All you need is a diagonal line with numbers. In this case, we'll use Miro with its prepared board. The facilitator asks people to rate the session as to what value it gave them, compared to the time they just invested in joining it. They just drag a note to the place on the board that matches the value they got. Those who want are encouraged to write why they put it there, but only those who feel like it. Now you can see a pattern and ask questions that help you understand it. Often it's enough to just open up for people to talk. Some usually say something about how they experienced it. Some will have suggestions for improvements. And some will actually reveal reasons that isn't connected to how you performed, but still had effect on how much value they got from the session. With the pattern and the comments, you can both evaluate your own effort and think about any improvements you could do to make it even better in the future. ROTIs done digitally, like this, remains, so you can go back to them and look at ideas later and also see if you made progress. Well, that's it, as easy as that. Try it at your next meeting or workshop. You will likely learn a lot about how you did and how you can improve. Over and out.